Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a cancer awareness ribbon. This one is pink because October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We'll start with a piece of paper that is 15 by 6 centimeters. And the first step is that we will fold it in half here. Check the edges. And press it down. Now we'll open it. And we will fold the bottom half to the crease that we just made. And we will do the same with the upper half. Now we'll fold the corners toward this center middle line and we will make triangles. Do the same with this side. And turn it around and do the same here. So the triangles to this middle line. Once we have this, we'll open the bottom half and reverse fold this. You can follow this line that you already have. So in, out on the same line that we just had, and press it down that you will have a triangle. And the same here. We will fold in to this line, then out, and triangle. And press it down. Next, we'll fold the top half to this pocket that we just made. And this corner needs to go to the top of these folded triangles. So not on bottom, but on top. And fold it in. And the same here in the upper pocket. Once we have it like this, we hold it in the middle and we fold one side down. But don't squeeze this folded half. Now we'll fold the other side, which will go behind and then on top of the previous one. Now we'll pinch it in the middle and try to reshape the upper part. And once we are happy with it, we press it down so that it stays in shape. Now we have a breast cancer awareness ribbon. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.